money.
Look, I got a bullet with somebody's name on it. I get up on him, I don't need no aim on it. Kill me a ghost on my jacket, got stains on it. Wiping my nose like I got some cocaine on it. Pulled out his coffin and ate me a plate on it. Called up his bitch on my dick, let her lay on it. I'm in the trap, I was like Gucci and Zay on it. I see a soda, I'm pouring, I ate on it.
I fought that bitch in the Walmart and Tusa, bro. I had to pack at the Western, no Smith though. He tried to front on me in front of friends and fam. I had this bitch in the back, what he didn't know. I came a long way from betting though. Now all my bosses are flavor than Kinnico. I bought up on the crack game, what they hitting for. I keep the pilots, I'm not talking steel toes.
I hit a 7 and picked up the dinner roll. I get the bread, then I fuck me a centerfold. I bought a perp like my name is Gorillas. Oh, I'm from the place where the killers and sinners go. I just cut the grass and showed the motherfucking stage. I took off my bandana and showed my fucking face.
Rose gold bandana, I tatted on my A. $5,000 soap every time I best. I just told her maybe I meant what I say. I don't really play and I hope you think it's shade. I had to jump down the name to remember her. When I come back with this K, I'ma kill a hoe. Thought I wouldn't get no skirt. I put my cum on her face, but I'm pitiful. I got a pack of them Skittles, bro. All different flavors and all different flavor type of hoes, all on sinful.
I got a bullet with somebody's name on it. I get up on him, I don't need no aim on it. Kill me a ghost on my jacket, got stains on it. Wiping my nose like I got some cocaine on it.